In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. 2025 Quick Tutorial for Collaboration. Efficient collaboration is key for project success. Connecting project management with communication platforms like Microsoft Teams significantly streamlines workflow. This tutorial guides you through integrating Monday.com with Microsoft Teams, helping your team stay updated and connected. This powerful integration automates notifications and actions, ensuring everyone remains aligned and informed. To begin, open a specific board in your Monday.com workspace. A board is your project's central hub, organizing tasks, items, and team activities. Navigate to the board you wish to connect with Microsoft Teams for project management or any collaborative effort needing automated communication. Once open, we can proceed. Next, while viewing your board, locate and click the Integrate button. It's typically near the top of your board's interface. This is your gateway to the Integration Center, a dedicated section for configuring connections to various third-party applications. Here, you'll initiate linking Monday.com with services like Microsoft Teams. In the Integration Center, you'll see popular integrations. To find Microsoft Teams, click More Integrations. This expands the list, revealing a comprehensive directory of all available applications. Clicking this ensures you access the full range of options, allowing you to easily locate Microsoft Teams among them. With the complete list visible, find the search bar at the top of the Integration Center. Simply type Microsoft Teams. As you type, the list dynamically filters, quickly narrowing choices until Microsoft Teams appears. This efficient search function helps you pinpoint the exact integration you need. Finally, with Microsoft Teams displayed, choose an automation recipe and click Connect. Monday.com offers pre-built recipes defining interactions. For example, choose when an item's status changes to Done, notify a specific Teams channel, or when a new item is created, post a message in Teams. After choosing your recipe, click Connect. You'll then authenticate your Microsoft Teams account and configure the specifics, like selecting the exact team and channel for notifications. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can successfully integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams, cultivating a more connected and efficient collaborative environment for your projects.